Hi, my name is Chris, and thanks for stopping by, clicking on my video, and watching today. If you're here because you wanted to see someone sort through 1,200 bottles of nail polish, then you're in the right spot. Keep watching, and I will explain a little bit later how I got 1,200 bottles of nail polish. Before I can start putting away any of the polish on the floor here, I need to clean off the desk. So I'm going to remove the silicone mats that I have that I use to protect the desk from acetone damage. So once the silicone mats are removed, I can clean the desks and then I can put them back so I can organize the polish and put it back on my desk.
No, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
On top of my desk, I have two clear acrylic organizers that hold about 200 or so bottles of polish, so I can have the ones I use the most at my fingertips. So I'm sorting through some of the polish on the floor to decide what I'm going to put away and what I'm going to put back into the organizers on my desk. And then I also have one of them I moved behind me here to the Helmer, but I decide later that I'm not going to move it here to the back. I want them all in front, so it's only here temporarily.
Calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman.
Moving on to the drawers, this is all polish that also needs to be sorted through and decluttered. So I'm going to go through each one of them one by one and get rid of as much as I possibly can.
Don't be such a stranger, tell me how you're feeling. You know I don't have to live inside your frames, boy. It's such a funny way to tell me what you search in life. Well, I'm a mad woman, sorry I don't compromise. Mad woman, mad woman. Keep calling me a mad woman.
When I originally started buying polish, I would buy one or two colors from a collection, and I sorted the polish by color, which is why you see the paint swatches on the front of each drawer. But later, as I got more into collecting nail polish, I started buying entire collections because I didn't want to have one missing from a collection. So even if it was a color I didn't love, it was still cheaper because I was buying so many to just buy the entire collection. So now what I'm doing is when I'm sorting through the polish, I'm sorting it by collection, not by color.
This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love. This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love. We'll move all night. No worries, no doubts. This is my time to bring it. We'll move all night. No worries, no doubts. This is my time to make you dance, dance. You're never gonna catch me. Dance, dance. So what if I'm crazy? Can't take me out. I'll never come down, down, down. Hey boy, can you catch me? Hey boy, do you see me?
Now that I have all the drawers emptied and I have the brands sorted by collection, I'm going to take each brand and put them in a drawer together instead of sorting again by color.
Win it, what's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love.
I don't know yet how I feel about sorting by collection instead of color because it is nice to be able to open a drawer and see every single pink polish that you have, but it is also nice to know that everything from one particular brand or maker is in a drawer together. So if there's something from a specific collection that you're looking for, I can open the drawer and know that all the polish from that brand is in that same drawer.
Can't take me out, I'll never come down, down, down. Hey boy, can you catch me? This time I'ma win it. This time I'ma win it. What's my luck? I wanna get in. Inside your love, inside your love. We'll move all night, no worries, no doubts. This is my time to make you dance, dance. You're never gonna catch me. Dance, dance. So what if I am crazy?
If I had to choose a favorite nail polish, this Sally Hansen Original Formula Pacific Blue would definitely be in my top 5. Now that all the polish that I'm keeping have been sorted and reorganized, these are all the polish that I am either donating or giving away.
You told me to lighten up, but it's not easy breaking habits. I've got a ton of bad days lined up, and I ain't gonna chase no ride.
310 bottles of nail polish that I'm getting rid of. I probably still have 3 times that I'm not getting rid of. I used to polish my nails pretty frequently, and I used to buy a lot of polish, but I don't do either of those anymore. So it's just sitting here not being used. So I'm gonna get rid of it, donate it, let my daughter keep some, let my granddaughter keep some. So whoever wants to go through it can keep what they want, and then I'll donate the rest to wherever. This is an example of some of the nail art that I've done recently. While I was cleaning out my nail polish, I found these beautiful Cupcake Polish, and it happened to be Sarah's birthday. Sarah is the maker of Cupcake Polish, and she lives here in Dallas, Texas. And I was asked to join in on a birthday collaboration for her. So these nails were my contribution to her birthday collaboration.
Stay a while, but it's not easy making promises. You got a habit of moving on.
While I'm organizing my nail desk and putting the clear acrylic organizers and the silicone mats back down, I'll explain why I collected 1,200 bottles of nail polish. Originally, I started 5 years ago when my daughter had gallbladder surgery. She found an Instagram page with some water marble nail art, and I wanted to try it. So I went to the store, bought some polish, and made an attempt, which was not good. So I just kept trying, and I signed up for Instagram just to follow nail art pages. I ended up creating my own nail art page, which I'll link in the description box below if you'd like to go take a look. So I continued buying nail polish. I continued trying the water marble nail art, which I'll include a few pictures of some of my nail art designs here. So then I started buying the indie nail polish or artisan handmade polish by individual makers. And eventually I just started buying the entire collection instead of just 1 or 2 polish from the collection. And it just sort of snowballed from there. Now, full disclosure, I didn't actually buy every single bottle of polish that you see here. Some of it was given to me in swaps that I would do. Some of it was given to me by the maker who made the polish to just swatch on my nails, photograph, and send them the pictures so they could use for their advertisements or on their website for selling their nail polish. So I did acquire it over a long period of time, and most of these polish have only been used once to swatch on 4 fingers, or if it was part of an entire collection that I bought, a lot of it's probably never even been used.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I seal it? not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything
Now that everything is sorted, I'm just organizing the acrylic organizers with the polish that I want right here in front of me. And these are some of the new polish that I received that I hadn't used yet, and I want to make a point to use them. And some of them are some favorite and good old standbys that I use frequently. And then others are different kinds of polish that I use for stamping designs, nail art, and other things like that. Originally, when I started cleaning out this space, my intent was to make it a desk for personal use, so I could put my laptop up there and my Silhouette Cameo and put all the nail polish behind me. But once I got it cleaned off, I realized I really do love doing my nails, and there's really no reason why I don't do them anymore. Since I have the desk, I have a dedicated space, I have a lot of nail polish and all the tools to do it, I decided that I was just going to reorganize it, put everything back the way it was, and hopefully that'll motivate me to do my nails a little more frequently.
you're like a lighthouse in a dream, really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it.
Okay, now everything is finally put away, organized by brand. So here's one last look at how everything turned out. My drawers are no longer over full, and I now have plenty of space to add more nail polish. Just kidding. I'm not adding any more nail polish. Thanks for watching today. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. It really means a lot to me to know that you're interested in seeing more of the videos that I put out. If you liked today's video, hit like or leave a comment below. If you have some time, click the link in my description box and go over to Instagram and take a look at some of the nail art on my nail art page.
Hit you with the text on XO. My ace boom boom, no flex, no. I won't gas you up like petrol. Just trying to take you way up where the jets go. But you didn't notice that.